What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am finna do a hair tutorial with my sister, and we're gonna do this look. I'm gonna insert a clip of what we're finna do. So let's get on to the hair tutorial. So first, guys, we're gonna start off with her hair. She's saying hi. And so we're gonna need rubber band. That's the first material you will need. Some Edge Effect edge control. That's just the type of edge control we need that we use, and it smells really good. So please buy it. The next you need is your flyers, as usual. We only turned them up to 410, and that was our edge comb. And so she just sitting there, normal, sorry. So basically, I'm gonna part her hair face first for her buns. Just part it, just a straight down part, you know. You're just combing her hair also. I'm trying to get that part perfectly. Usually I can't get a perfect part, but that's what I'm trying to do. So we're just gonna keep parting her hair. CJ knows. So now all we're doing is bantooning her hair so it can look like some really cute buns. We're just gonna twist it up really tightly and firmly. That's all you need to do. Twist it up really good and it'll look really nice. So just keep like twisting it as don't twist it super tight because the bun wouldn't come out super nice. So just like twist it until see like I'm showing you how to twist it, and then just keep twisting. Twist it all the way down, and then you're gonna wrap it around a couple of times. First you tightly wrap it around, and then you loose wrap it around. Not you don't loose wrap it around, and then that's all you need to do for her bun, and then you rubber band it up. That's what the rubber bands are used for. You gotta rubber band it up. CJ knows. So now I'm straightening her hair, basically. So I take out her edges first. That's the first part. I like to curl that. Yes, I did put some oil on her edges. So please don't say I'm burning out her edges. So please do not comment like, you're going to burn out her edges. Don't do that. I did oil her edges first with the oil that I'm going to show you after this. So please do not complain. And so that's basically just a nice little curl on her edges. You know how she loves curls on her edges. I don't know. So now let's get to her full head of hair. Like, this took the longest. First, I'm going to do that part, that's the first part I curled before I did this video. So I'm straightening it out. And then now I'm going to put some more Olive Miracle Growth Oil on it. It's an anti-breakage formula. It's really good for her hair. So I put a lot of that in my hand. And then I rub through her hair. And then I rub through her scalp. I don't know, I should make it a stink face like it hurt or something, because they really don't. So I start rubbing it through her scalp and just like really good right there. And then I start curling her hair. Well, not curling her hair, straightening her hair. And then I take I don't know if you can see it, but my orange comb, my yellow comb, is it in here? Yeah, my yellow comb. I use that yellow comb that I just showed you. And then She thought I wanted to give it to her. I was like, no, not yet. And then I'm, like how you silk press people hair and you comb and then you do that. That's basically what I'm doing right here. And so you just place the comb on top of the hair, comb it through, and then you put the comb back, and then you put put it near the where you're going to straighten her hair, and you hold the comb and you straighten it down with both. You can do it with both hands, or like me, I just like to do it with one hand. It's easy for me to do it. So that's all I'm doing to her hair right now.
You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. And I know in the holiday that could only mean one thing. And I know in the holiday I could only mean everything. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows that I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor, hanging with some girls I've never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. And I know when the ever since I left the city, you and me, we just don't get along. You make me feel like I did you wrong, going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages on your passport, hanging with some girls I never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. And I know when that holiday that could only mean one thing. And I know when the hotline bling that could only mean how did I get so blind and so cynical? If there's love in this life, we're unstoppable. No, we can't be defeated. Left me broken. Tuesday I was through with home. Wednesday my empty arms are open. Thursday waiting for love, waiting for love.
can follow.
So now I'm putting edge control, the edge effect edge control on her edges. So I take like a glob on my finger, as you can see, and slick down her edges, and I slick them. I put a lot on the top of her edges because it's going to last all night. So it's like, yeah, I just brush it down. After I brush it down, I brush down all her edges right there. I put some more edge control, add a little bit more, and then I brush down her edges with the brush. She talking to me. She like some. Don't do it so hard. I guess I don't know what she's saying for real, or she's singing the song. But like that's what I'm doing, basically brushing down her edges. So I use the comb part to swoop her edges, as you can't see. But if you know how to swoop, 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 you should know how to swoop, swoop somebody's hair. It's really easy. So basically that's what I'm doing right here. So now it's like swoop, swoop.
Hey, das schaffst du.
Inches. She got inches. She got inches. She got inches. And it's her real hair. This her real hair. This her real hair. She don't wear weave. She got inches. She got inches. She got inches. Turn around. She don't wear weave. Do 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 do.